Steve Show, and I'm Steve. And today we're going to talk about a badge reel that we can offer you. And it's a nice way to attach a badge. Makes it easy to pull out your card through access readers and so forth, so you can present your badge without taking it off of you. And as always on the show, we're going to have the badge photo ID of the day at the end of the show. So what I want to talk to you about today is it's our part number BR, which is badge reel, CI-2120-3101, and it's a black, as you can see, badge reel. It's got a silver sticker on it, so it makes it look nice. Most of our products can be customized, so if you need your logo on there or some kind of symbol or want it to look a little bit different, just let us know. And this, as you can see, retracts, it opens up, and it has a black, it has a belt clip on the back, so you can hook it right onto your belt or hook it anywhere else, but usually people put it onto their belt. And it's reinforced vinyl for the strap clip here. That's this part, so it's not going to break off. It snaps together. It would hold your badge on it, and it's not going to break. It snaps apart real easily, but it keeps your badge on there. And it's rated for 100,000 pulls. That's a lot of presenting a badge. It's a stainless steel spring for longevity. That's how you get 100,000 pulls out of it, and it's high performance at a low price. So you can call this a badge reel, retractable, some people call them. Some people call them yo-yos. Whatever you want to call them, just call ID Edge and we can help you with this. Today's badge photo ID of the day is being presented now, and while you're looking at that, if you have any questions, call us at idedge.com. Come to our website at idedge.com or call us at 800-798-3343 and we'll help you any way we can.